Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, January 9th. We got that positive close that I was looking for in the NASDAQ market. I like the way it's structured. I do look for follow through next week. Monday would not be surprised to see a bit of a pullback, but I'm looking for strength throughout next week. In those currencies, we can see that the euro did back off. The dollar did get stronger. I think this makes sense, and I'm looking for further movement to the downside. In Japanese yen, we have an equal and opposite. It really backed off here, and the difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $250 a contract. I do look for further movement to the downside on Monday. In the interest rate markets, well, the 10-year notes traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish levels is $187.50. I look for further movement to the downside on Monday. Not a big day down, but continued selling pressure. I feel the same way about bonds. It'll be important that the next 2 days on Monday, the performance in this market for lower prices becomes really critical. And the magnitude change here between the bearish and bullish level in bonds is $843.75 a contract. In the gold market, well, it did back off a tad bit, but nothing like we saw here in the silver market. We traded below the bearish level in silver. The magnitude change here in that market is $1,200 a contract. I look for a sideways move on Monday in that market. The copper market, this magnitude change between 52 and 51 is $250 a contract. I'm looking for an up day on Monday for the copper market. And for crude oil, it's grinding its way higher. I am still suspect of that market, and I think we need to be cautious at these price levels. And in soybeans, we traded lower in this market. I look for a quiet day on Monday. And in corn, we traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish, $450 a contract. And I also look for further movement to the downside, but not a big day down on Monday. Well, that concludes my market studies for today. Look forward to being with you again next week, and in the meantime, take care.